What did you guys do? Take a picture of each other?
Hey, sweetheart. How you doing?
What's up? How you doing?
All right.
Check out yourself.
That's me?
Yeah.
That's me? Oh, that's me.
I'll do that card.
Alright.
Hey, baby. Oh,
Much of a close.
click.
They got you.
Got me? Let me see. Let me see.
You're
Let me see.
cute, so you'll be fine.
That's me? Oh, that's me. Click. You're on video, actually. Look on that one. Look on that one. Deuces. Nice. Hi, Anna.
Hey, John John.
How you doing?
I'm fucking hungry.
Hey, Rena. You hungry?
Oh, yeah.
Do you want me to try to get some for you?
Also make funny things.
Yo, I think you. How many are we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Nice. $3 a stick.
6.
Nice.
What?
6 times 2?
So 12.
Yeah.
So times 3.
What are we doing? Why are we doing math? We're not in school.
36.
Okay. Okay. Make it 11.
Make it 11.
11 what? Barbecue?
10. Make it 10.
10. Make it 10?
Yeah.
Times 3 is
How many can you eat? 1 or 2? 2?
Oh, 2.
Yeah, I'll eat 2.
I'll eat 2.
So 10.
You'll eat 3?
Yeah, 2.
You only 5? What?
I heard 3.
Baby, I'll eat 1 too many.
wanted
Alright,
it all,
relax.
Sure.
You were gonna run away with her.
That's for later.
Special for John John.
It's video.
Yeah, it's gonna go on the web again.
We could be real Filipino, wait until they're closing, everything's like half price.
Really?
You're like starving. You're like, oh, it's just my net.
And then I'm gonna be like,
Sorry, man. For my dog, yeah? And I think it's all. It's a video.
I know, it's a video. Throw me a kiss.
I killed a rat on the street, man. Make a business. Dude, I saw a mouse in the supermarket yesterday. I freaked
The
out.
shit they're cooking.
Look at all that stuff. Look at that guy work. Walking that way.
Bob.
Look at their back and I looked out. We're taking action.
What sucks? Relax.
Wait, you're ordering for all of us?
I was gonna try to.